Brian Gillen with Gillen Team Real Estate. It's springtime, meaning summer is fast approaching, so why not get out and get some stuff done around the house before it gets too hot to do anything. First thing I recommend is draining your water heater. With the hard water we have in Arizona, all that just settles right on the bottom and starts eating away at the metal, lowering the life expectancy of the water heater. The next thing you could probably do is replace the batteries in your smoke detectors. But if they are 10 years old, I recommend changing the whole entire smoke detector. Another thing you can do is replace the air filters, which should be done every month anyways, but you're already doing all the work, add that in there. Another thing you could probably do is clean your dryer vent. Dryer fires are the #1 causes of fires in residential homes, so just get that cleaned out and not have to worry about it. And lastly, what you could do is clean off your barbecue grill. Get all that juices and fats and everything that drip through. Just get it nice and clean so the next time you want to grill something on that barbecue in this nice weather, it'll be nice and clean for you. Brian Gillen, Gillen Team Real Estate, where we treat you like family.